Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today I'm going to be heading out, I'm going to be Squishmallow hunting. Today is the day to be Squishmallow hunting. I heard a lot of places have restocked on Squishmallows right now, and I know around Christmas time they'll be in high demand, so I'm going to be stocking up my store and see what I can find. First stop on the way to Costco will be Target. I have a Super Target right on the way that I'm going to be heading up first. Hopefully I can find a bunch of these things. Target, I have to be a little bit more careful. This isn't my normal Target where they don't care how many I buy. So this Target, I'm going to be a little bit more careful. Probably only buy like 2 of each if I can find that many. Hopefully I can find a lot. But yeah, I'll be sticking to like 2 of each just to not rattle the cages of the big upper management in this Target. Just because I know a lot of Targets don't like resellers, so I'll be good. I'll only buy 2 of each. Maybe I'll drive back on the way after Costco. Maybe, I don't know. Depends how many I have. They have a ton, I might come back. But anyways, hope you enjoy the video of me Squishmallow hunting. Costco, I'll probably buy like 5 of each, depending on how many they have in stock. Hopefully they have a ton in stock. But let's get going. Enough of my jibber jabbing. Let's go. Alright, I just made it to Target. Gonna head on in and see what we can find. We can find a lot right now. It's only, I think 1 o'clock. So it's the middle of the day. Hopefully I didn't sleep in too late and, and ruin my chances. But usually they restock around 10, 11, so I should be pretty good. Alright, let's get in there and see what we get. Yeah, just got into Target and they have a bunch of them, so let's see what they will let me get away with purchasing. Got like a unicorn one. What is that guy? Grecia. Dinosaur one. Another unicorn one. Keith. I don't know what that is. Edmund. Chewy. So they have a bunch of Squishmallows, so looks like I lucked out here. Alright, I'm gonna get a basket full and see what happens. I don't think I'll take any of the little ones out. I think I'll leave the little ones behind. Alright, so decided to get 2 of each of these guys. And I got a big fat monster. You saw this guy on the last one. So the other big ones, the tags weren't there, and another one was really bad. I think it might even have been torn, so I just left it there. But so far so good. Alright, I'm back in the car from Target. Picked up, I think I wound up with 12 or 13. Actually, I went to where they normally have the Squishmallows, and there was only like 1 there. Well, 1, and then 1 was damaged. And I got there, and it was actually a little girl that was like, hey, if you're interested in more Squishmallows, they have more over there. And they were in a completely different area, like in a play zone. Yeah, you saw in the video where I got them. That's a completely different area than what they're normally at. They're usually with other stuffed animals and stuff. So I guess they made like a new area for them. But anyways, if it wasn't for that little girl, I've been walking out with probably just 1 Squishmallow. So got 12. Super happy. Thank you, little girl. I don't know your name, but thanks a lot. All right, on to Costco, and let's see what I can get there. Alright, I just got to my second Target. You can see there, this is another Super Target. I haven't hit the closest Target to my house yet. I just got out of my Costco. I didn't take any video there at all because they didn't have any at all. They were 0 there. So I'll probably be heading down. I know there's another Costco about 30 or 40 miles away from me. So I'll be heading down there either today or tomorrow. Not sure. But yeah, hopefully this Target has a bunch of them. Let's go see. Okay, so I found where they're supposed to be, but there's nothing here. I'm gonna ask one of the associates, maybe they have some in the back, hopefully. Or maybe another place. Like in the last Target, they had them in a whole different section, so I will go check it out. Alright, so this is where they're supposed to be. I talked to an associate, and she had these in the back, so I got these two little guys, and a mermaid one, and the dog. So, sweet. Just be nice, guys, and they'll help you out. What the heck is that thing? It's scented. What is it? Looks interesting. Trying to move. There we go. Scoops. Whoops. Sorry about that. 2 scoops. Scented pillow. Okay. It's a weird thing. But yeah. So, got these 4. Super happy with it. And on to the next. Decided to stop by a Walgreens. Why not? All the Squishmallows that I bought from here have sold, except for I think a couple hippos. So decided might as well, since I'm passing by a Walgreens, I'll get me something to drink because I am dying of thirst, and see if they have any Squishmallows. Might as well. Alright, let's get in there. Alright, so there was nothing at Walgreens. I couldn't record in there because the music was super loud. I don't know what's going on there. But now I am heading to another Target. Cleaned this one out about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, so hopefully they restocked by now and I can go and pick up a bunch of Squishmallows. Talked to the associate inside of Walgreens and wasn't super happy about the Squishmallow question. I just asked her, do you happen to have any Squishmallows? And she's like, no! But hey, I blame it on all you guys. Some of you guys are really nasty to the associates, and so I blame that on some of you. And I've met some of you angry people. But anyways, yeah, so met a not so happy associate there. But heading to Target, and hopefully I find a lot more there. And then I'll be heading to Costco. The other Costco I know has a bunch of them, so I'll be heading to Costco. And my nephew already picked up 25. He was at another Costco and he picked up 25, so I'll be heading to that Costco, buy as many as they'll allow me to, and I'll be hitting my nephew's house because he's already picked up, I believe he said 25 for me. So okay, let's keep going. Wound up getting one Squishmallow there. It's one like a mermaid bear. Can't show it to you. It's way far back there. But she did tell me that they just got in the truck and they might be here tomorrow. This one's only a couple miles away from my house, so I will be sure to come back tomorrow and see what they have. Alright, on to Costco. So I finally made it to Costco. It is super packed, and on the hunt for Squishmallows. Let's see if I find them somewhere. It took me forever to get here because there was a crash on the freeway, so I had to take a different freeway to get here. It sucks. Instead of like 45 minutes to get here, it took me over an hour. Alright, let's see if I can track these guys down. I tracked them down. Here they are. And $10. Supposed to be a huge lot of them. I don't know if there's any more anywhere else, but let's get these and hopefully we'll find some more somewhere else. I will ask the people. Alright, so just got out of Costco, got 11 of these guys. Let me show you the receipt. They're only $10 a piece, so that is sweet. There's the receipt, $118. Not too bad. Too bad the drive sucked. The drive wasn't terrible. This would have been a nice day. But I am going to my nephew's. He has 25 of these. He came here first. That's how I know about him. So he's got 25 for me. If I knew they were going to sell out, I would have begged him to get more. But I didn't think they were going to sell out that fast. Because there was like 2 whole huge bins full yesterday. And this is early morning. As soon as they opened up, I got here as quickly as possible. So what is this guy? This is Brita, and the other one I got is Celestina. So 2 different kinds they had left. Hopefully my Costco gets them in soon. I'll just keep calling every single day. Alright, catch you at home. So the car is full to the top. You can see. Like I said, I think I got like 62 or 63 of them. I already took some in because I was going to do the haul inside, but it was such a nice sunny day. I thought, well, might as well just do the kind of like a quick haul right here and show you what I got. Alright, we have Rustio. It's like a, I guess like a Stegosaurus. The newer ones are less filled though. They're more squishy. See how the older ones are they're more like solid. These newer ones, the ones I just picked up from Target, are super, yeah, look. They're not as filled as they once were. This one is Atlas. You can see it's a really cool like design unicorn. We have this one I got from Costco. Got a bunch of these from Costco. This is Brita. See, it's like a pastel owl. This one too I got from Costco. This is narwhal whale. I couldn't think. His name is Naomi. What else did I get? This is Cornella. This one I got from this one I got from Target, I believe. They're all running together. You've seen this one before. I had this one in another haul. See if I can push him back. I'm trying to push it back, just so I can show you some of the different ones I got. We got this one, Edmund. So the profit margin on these, usually can get around 40 for them. I spent 10, so you figure the profit on each one is around $20 each. I got over 60, so I'm looking at about $1,200 profit. Some will go higher, some will go a little bit lower. This is Pania. So yeah, I don't expect these to all sell out soon, but if there's a shortage or something during Christmas, they will sell out really fast. And maybe I'll even have to raise the prices. Celestina. Yeah, trying to show you the different ones, but they're like falling on me. This is a fox called Pania. Yeah, that is about it. I think I got about 10 of each one, so that's basically it for the haul. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Take care. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye.